Install the electric pedal bracket. Strengthen the exhaust pipe buffer adhesive. Reduce the swing amplitude of the exhaust pipe. Remove the interior panel of the trunk. Use dedicated signal cables to clamp vehicle signals. The original car battery is powered on. Vehicle negative grounding. Use the original car's reserved hose for wiring arrangement. If it is a wiring harness with lights, the plug needs to be removed. Wiring can be installed using threading lines. Locking panel bracket. Locking bracket screws. Galaxy Amtio single flow electric running board effect display.